Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for design. First, navigate to Figma's website and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard where you can start a new design file or import existing projects. Figma is browser-based, making it easy to collaborate with others in real time. It's a fantastic tool for creating user interfaces and experiences, offering a smooth workflow from concept to prototype. Let's explore the basic tools. On the left sidebar, you'll find layers and assets. The top toolbar houses your main design tools, the Move tool, Frame tool, and Shape tools. Select the Frame tool to create a new canvas, choosing from preset sizes like a desktop or mobile device. You can then add rectangles, circles, text, and images to build your design. Experiment with these to get comfortable with the interface. Figma truly shines with its collaboration and prototyping features. To share your work, click the Share button in the top right corner and invite collaborators via email or a link. For prototyping, switch to the Prototype tab. You can connect different frames to simulate user interactions, like clicking a button to navigate to another screen. This allows you to test your design's flow and gather valuable feedback efficiently. To elevate your Figma skills, dive into the Community tab for plugins and widgets that enhance your workflow. Learn about creating components, which are reusable elements like buttons or navigation bars, saving you significant time and ensuring consistency across your designs. Mastering these will make your design process much more efficient. Also, don't forget to check the description below for some great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.